First, open Leonardo AI and sign in to your account. If you want to improve the quality of an image in Leonardo AI, start by selecting the image you want to enhance. This can be an image you generated with Leonardo AI or another supported image that you have permission to edit. Open the image and look for the available enhancement, upscaling, or editing options. Depending on the current Leonardo AI interface, the exact tool names and locations may be different. Before making any changes, examine the original image carefully. Look for areas that need improvement, such as low resolution, soft details, unclear textures, weak lighting, or distracting elements. If the main problem is image resolution, consider using an available upscaling feature first. If the composition itself needs improvement, use the appropriate editing tools or provide a clear instruction describing what you want to change. For example, you could ask for sharper facial details, improved lighting, cleaner textures, or a more polished background. When using an AI editing tool, avoid changing too many things at once. Make one or two focused adjustments and then review the result. After processing, compare the improved version with the original. Zoom into important areas and check whether the details look natural. Pay special attention to faces, hands, text, product details, and other areas where AI-generated changes can sometimes create unwanted results. If you're not satisfied, try another setting or refine your editing instruction.